New restrictions announced in China could be unwelcome news for the growing electric vehicle market. Beijing said on Friday it will require export permits for some graphite products to protect national security. It's the latest move by the country to control supplies of critical minerals in response to challenges over its global manufacturing dominance. The reason this might hurt EV makers is because China refines more than 90% of the world's graphite into the material used in virtually all EV battery anodes. That's the negatively charged portion of a battery. One analyst said South Korean firms heavily rely on the graphite imports from China, but would have to look elsewhere to the US or Australia, and that would likely raise the cost burden for many. Automakers are now racing to lock in supplies from outside China, but there could be shortages. China will now require, as of December, that exporters apply for permits to ship two types of graphite. Beijing said the move was conducive to ensuring the security and stability of the global supply chain and safeguarding national security. China's decision comes while the EU considers tariffs on Chinese-made EVs, which it argues unfairly benefit from subsidies. The US government also widened curbs on Chinese companies' access to semiconductors earlier this week. Analysts said it was not clear how much impact the new measures on graphite will have in the short term. But on Friday, shares in China's new energy vehicle and battery makers rose after the announcement.